Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time we are going to talk about one very special set that we call power set. Yeah, power set. Power set is actually a set. Yes, it is a set. The set of what? Yeah, power set is the set of all subsets of a set. Now, for example, if we have one particular set, right? And we write down all the subset of this set, okay, and put it together in one big set. Now, that big set is called the power set of the set. So, the power set is actually just the set of all subset of any set. Okay, the set of all subsets of a set. Now, let's write down the definition of a power set. Now, because we have only one power set, we write down the power set. Okay, for any set, we have only one power set. So, the power set of a set, the power set of a set is the set of all subsets of the set. Okay, as I explained, that power set is just the set of all subsets of a set. Now, let's look at this example. That's our example number 1. Okay, now suppose that we are given A, okay, set A, suppose that we have with 3 elements, okay, A, B, and C. Okay, this set A having 3 elements, A, B, and C. Okay, lowercase letter. Alright, now we want to list down all the subset of set A. Okay, maybe we can write down in different category, you know, the subset with 1 element, the subset of A with 2 elements, and so on and so forth. Okay, the first one, maybe you want to write down the subset of A with no element. Okay, with no element. Do we have a subset of A with no element? Yeah, of course we have. That is the empty set, right? Last time we talked about, in the previous video, we talked about why an empty set is always a subset of every set. Okay, we talked about that last time. So, we have, okay, a subset of A with no element. Alright, that is an empty set. Okay, remember how we write down empty set? Yeah, we write down like this. Okay, or we can write open curly bracket. Okay, with no element, we have only this set, that is empty set. Now, do we have a subset of A with only 1 element? Okay, with one element. Do we have subset of A with 1 element? Yeah, we have 3 of them, right? That is a set with A only inside, the set with B only, like that, and the set with only 1 element C. Okay, like this, C inside. Okay, these are all subset of A with only 1 element. Next category is subset of A with 2 elements. Okay, with 2 elements. Okay, can we list down all the subset of A with 2 elements? Of course we can, right? Because, okay, by looking at this element of A, if we pick 2 elements, okay, at one time, we can have AB, for example. Okay, the first one may be AB, like this. Then we have AC, also 2 elements, AC. Do we have any more? Yeah, we have one more. Okay, that is BC, like this. BC. Okay, all of this, that is 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 are all subsets of A with 2 elements. Okay, do we have a subset of A with 3 elements? With with 3 elements? Yeah, we have. Okay, that is set A itself. Okay, and remember last time we also talked about a set is a subset to itself. All right, so set A is also a subset to set A. So with 3 elements, we have the set itself. So we write down the set A, B, and C. Okay, this is set A. And set A is also a subset of itself, set A. Okay, these are all the subset of A. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them all together. Now, we want to write down all these subsets in one big set that we call power set. So, how to write down the symbol for power set? Yeah, we use P. Okay, capital P and then in bracket A. What I mean is like this. P, A. Okay, to represent the power set of A. The power set of A is equal to the set of all subsets of A. Okay, all of these put in this bracket, in this set, and that will be our power set. So the first one is empty set. Okay, next is the subset of A with only one element. 1, 2, 3 of them. So we write down A like this, and then B, and then we have C. Okay, 3 of them. Yes, we already written 3 subsets of A with one element. Now with 2 elements, we have 1, 2, 3. Maybe we can adjust a little bit. Okay, follow down like this. So A, B, C, singleton. We see we have only one element, and then we have with 2 elements. All right, A, B. Okay, and don't forget the bracket. A, B. Then we have A, C. Like this. A, B, A, C, and then we have B, C. Okay, and finally, the subset of A with 3 elements, that is A itself, that is this set, A, B, C. So, for that one, it will be set A itself, A, B, C, and then, okay, and then we close, the bracket. Okay, so this is the power set of A. Okay, now suppose that we are given another set that we call set B. Okay, having 2 elements, yeah. All right. So now suppose that we have set B having 2 elements. Say that the first element is number 1, and the second element is this. Let's see. Yeah, that's the second element of B. The first element is number 1. The second element is, this is a set, right? Yeah, a set with element 2 inside. So this set is inside this set. Now we ask ourselves, can we have a set of set? Meaning a set contained in a set. Can we have that? The answer is of course yes. Yes, we can have a set having elements of set. Okay, set of set, we say it, right? Because a set can contain anything. The element of a set can be anything. Can be alphabet, can be numbers, can be the number of animals, the names of animals, can be the names of what? The names of cars or whatever, The element of set is open to anything. Now here, okay, the element of a set is a set. Can we have it? Can we have something like that? The answer is of course yes. All right. So this set B, okay, having one of the elements of it, a set. All right. So now, as the previous example, we want to list down all the subset of B. All right. So the first one is the subset of B with no element, right? With no element. Okay. What is it? The set of B, subset of B with no element. Yeah, like the previous example, that must be an empty set, right? Now, can we have a subset of B with one element? With one element. Yeah, we can have the subset with this element inside. So we have that. Okay, this is the subset of this element. Now, how about this element here? Okay, contain this set. Can we write it down? Okay, the set of like this. Okay, this is the subset of B with this element. All right. So these are all the subset of B with one element. With this element, this is the one. With this element, this is one. Okay, look at the what we call the double bracket, curly bracket that we have here. All right. Now with two elements. Yeah, we have, right? That is the set B itself. 1, 2. Okay, we have two elements there. That is the set B itself. 1 and the set B itself. Okay, so these are all the subset of B. Okay, all together we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is one set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether, we have 4 subsets of B. Now, we want to put or write down all the subset in one set that we call power set. Okay, remember the symbol that we use? Yeah, PA. But in this case, the set is B. So, PB, right? So, PB. The power set of B is equal to, okay, open bracket. This open bracket is the open bracket for the power set. Okay, empty set. Okay, the subset with one element, one here and the other one there. So we write down like this. Now copy this to like that. All right, and the last one is the set B itself. So copy this subset and write it down there. Okay, to complete our power set. So this one is the last. Okay, after that comma, we write this set. We have 1. We have 2. Okay, and then we close the bracket of this opening, and that's the closing bracket. Okay, this is the closing bracket for the power set. Okay, now let's discuss our last example. That's example number 3. Okay, in explaining the concept of power set, suppose that we have a set C, right? Set C. Suppose that this time set C contain element like this, that is empty set, and also we have one small set in set C, that is a set like this. Okay, now please take note that set C consists of all sets. The first one is set, that's empty set. The second one also a set. Okay, this set C is a set contain all sets. Okay, whatever that is. Okay, we are more interested in writing the power set. That means the subset. Okay, the subset of C. So first one is the subset of C with no elements or empty set, right? So with 0 element, yeah. So let's write down, or no element. What we mean is no element. Let's write down the subset of C with no element. Of course, empty set, right? Now with one element, subset of C with one element. Okay, this one must write it in terms of bracket, right? Okay, do we have any more? Subset of C with one element? Yeah, this one also. Okay, so we have one like this and write it in bracket like that. Now, can we have what we call the subset of C? The subset of C with 2 elements? Yeah, of course, the set C itself. So with 2 elements, we have set C itself. So we copy set C. Like that. Okay, so now we are going to list down, okay, the power set of C. So PC, power set of C is equal to, okay, let's put them together. Empty set, open bracket first, and then empty set, this one, empty set. Okay, the subset of C with one element, that is this one. And that one. Okay, and lastly, the set C itself. Okay, so the set C itself. And then we have to close the bracket. This is the opening, and this is the closing. So that's the closing bracket for the power set. Okay, this is the example how we write down the power set of a set.